How is nobody here?
Oh wait, guy right there.
Where?
Joshua, northeast. He's not on our team. He's like.
Oh, he's black. Yeah. Let's kill him. Oh, there's someone else there. It's somebody else.
Mortal.
Oh, it's those two. Yeah.
Team.
We should kill this. I think they still have a third too.
Oh shit. Yeah, they do. They have a third. No. Be careful. You're by yourself. It's so cool. I don't want to fuck with that.
Yeah, run to 0.
Guy right here. Oh, red guy. Full diamond.
Oh, what?
It's probably gonna get targeted.
It's Sparks. Also, wait, hold on. I have to do something. He died to the border thing, apparently. So.
I have some guys. I got trained. Wait. Yeah, they're killing.
You want to go to that? I want to go to that.
Just got splashed by Queens.
He could definitely be on our team, so.
The Sparks guy's running into that, though.
Oh. What's up, Jit? Oh, nice tap. Get the healing, get the healing.
Bro. Shut him over.
Just run. Oh, shit. Run this way. I heard the brink lightning this way. I see Skies. He's red. He's shooting at someone. I want to see who he's shooting at, though. They could be on our team. It's Bulbex on gray. He's only pants. We should kill him. Oh, we're still getting chased behind us. Oh, Carter's full diamond.
Oh my god, where the fuck is our teammate? It's Jerry. Our teammate has to be Jerry, literally. Or Rohan? Do you find Rohan or Jerry?
It's Quad and Carter.
Is it chasing us?
They're chasing you. Or they're both. Yeah, there's. Do we just.
I'm burrowing.
Alright. Where the fuck is our team? I got shot. You want to go to the left, maybe? I don't like.
I see Ben again.
You just run. Go to the left. Go to the left.
They're probably gonna go for him. No, they're not gonna go for us.
Ow.
We need to find Jerry or Rohan.
You might be fucked. Oh god.
One part.
Oh shit. Boat to the left. Boat to the left. That's the only way to get out of this spot.
I pull out.
They're still coming, so.
Why they're so dedicated to us.
I'm gonna shoot them off of you, and I can pearl behind them. Quad's on 70. They're both on you right now. Shit. Alright, I'm just gonna run the other way. Sorry. Not really much you can do there.
You're good. We don't have any.
Oh, I found Skies again. And Sokol again. I think Jerry's with Ben, so I have to be with Rohan then, right?
Bolvex, we didn't.
No, Bulbex I saw. I have to make healing. I see Bulb again.
Oh, bring Ty, where you're alone.
Oh, what? Fuck.
Yeah.
We had such a good team too. If only we met up.
Yeah, we had a good team. If we just worked together, then that would
I'm gonna fight Bulb. Got him.
Good job.
Surely I don't get cleaned. He had one gap on him. I'm fucked. Sharp 4.
Jesus.
Power 3. I have power 4, yeah. Drop 2. Yeah, I lose. They're still at Sokol team at 3. They need to fight Carter's team is what needs to happen here. Who's the yellow solo? Slash MSG Borneo. Yeah, I see him. Yes. Oh, surely not.
We take a one with Letty.
I'm going for Borneo still. The other teams are fighting. Fuck, GG.